Oh, ayan. Hello, good afternoon. What time is it now? Is 2 o'clock or 2:15. While I'm waiting to Sisi, I'm looking at the school bus. And now, tingnan mo. Grabe, oh, yun, oh, still working, oh. Di pa yan tapos, oh, ayan. More improvement na nga lang kasi tinanggal na nila yung ano, diba yung dati kong video, may mga nakaharang pa dyan sa gilid na parang mga net, kulay green yata yun. Oh, pero ngayon ayan, nilinis nila. Oh, ayan, oh. Tinanggal na nila doon din sa kabila, pero hindi pa lahat doon sa kabila talaga yun, oh. Hindi pa lahat doon. Kaya yan. Ayan, ewan ko kung saan nilalagay yung mga, ano yun, hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga parang naka-square. O sige na, thank you again. Thank you for watching. And thank you again to subscribe me. Thank you for everything. Yun na lang lagi talaga ang masasabi ko. That's what I'm telling to you. To all you subscribe to me. Thank you very much. And thank you also those people that they are watching my old videos. And thank you like me or not. Thank you very much. And I wish that you can subscribe me more. And again, thank you. Ayan na yata yung school bus ni Sisi. Hindi yellow. Hindi yellow yung mga bata sa loob na naka-uniform. Okay, sige. Thank you again and bye-bye.